How to add gift receipt on Target app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add gift receipt on Target app. Now here I'll be showing you on the browser, but the process is similar on the app itself as well. So here what you want to do if you want to do it on browser is you want to head into target.com on your browser after you open up a browser on any of your device, and here you'll be headed into official page here or target.com. Now you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is first, as you know, as you are buying the product, you want to add it to the cart. Once you add it to your cart, you want to tap on the cart icon at the top right corner. You can see beside the profile icon, simply tap on cart icon there. Now once you tap on cart icon on the app, you'll find the add gift receipt option right here on the cart option here on the screen below. However, in this case on the browser, you can see it only shows the promo code option, and you can see order includes a gift option. You want to enable this and you want to simply tap on continue to checkout. Now here on continue to checkout, you can see scroll down below, you'll find shipping address, and if you scroll further down below, you'll find the gift options where you'll be able to add gift receipt. So this way you can add gift receipts. First you'll have to type in your shipping address first. But so hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.